The 11th question says, find the equation of lines through the point 3, 2, which make an angle of 45 degree with the line this. Okay, equation of lines through the point 3, 2, which make an angle of 45 degree with the line this. How do we do it? How do we do that? So, lines passing through 3, 2. Does this 3, 2 point lie on this particular line? First of all, let's check this. This is 3 minus 4. No, this is not equal to 3. So, this point is totally outside. X minus 2y equals 3 is this line. And there is another point 3, 2. Okay. And we are supposed to find the equation of the line through the point 3, 2, which makes an angle of 45 degree with this line. So, angle of 45 degree with this particular line will be this. Okay, and this particular line further passes through the point 3, 2. Okay, if this is line L1, let's call this L1 and let's call this L2. L2 is question mark. Now, for finding L2, we are given one condition directly, that it passes through this particular point 3, 2. The other condition can be obtained with the help of this angle. Yes. Let's use that condition and get the slope. After that, equation of L2 will be very simple. We can use the point slope form and easily get the answer. So, for finding the slope of this line M2, we'll have to use the result of tan theta, angle between two lines, that is tan theta equals M1 minus M2 upon 1 plus M1 M2 and a complete modulus over there. Right. So, M1, this slope is equal to what? So, for that, let's rearrange this. This is 2y equals x minus 3 and you can divide by 2, M1 will be equal to 1 by 2. This is what you get. Do you observe this? Yes, M1 will be equal to 1 by 2. And we know that tan theta is equal to M1 minus M2 upon 1 plus M1 M2, that's the angle between two lines. If the angle between two lines having slopes M1 M2 is theta, then this is the formula. Let's use that. Therefore, tan 45 degree is equal to M1, which is 1 by 2, minus M2 upon 1 plus 1 by 2 M2 modulus is what I get. What is tan 45 degree? Tan 45 degree is simply 1, right? Okay, and you have a modulus, a huge modulus. So, the expression that you will get is half minus M2 upon 1 plus M2 by 2 will be equal to 1, or this expression after removing the modulus, half minus M2 upon 1 plus M2 by 2 will be equal to minus 1. This will be 1 or minus 1. Let's simplify this. Half minus M2 is equal to 1 plus M2 by 2. Okay. This will become, this will go that side. This is half minus 1, which is minus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2 M2, and this tells me M2 will be equal to minus 1 by 3. That's simple calculation, right? We've just calculated this value. Or you can calculate another value of M2 using this expression. This tells me half minus M2 is equal to minus 1 minus M2 by 2. Okay, this minus 1 comes over there, this becomes 3 by 2, this M2 goes over there, this becomes M2 by 2, and this tells me M2 is equal to 3. Oh, we are getting two particular values of M2. Yes. Which of these values are we talking about? If this particular angle is 45 degree, do you observe that there can be another line through this particular point which can make an angle of 45 degree over here as well? Yes or no? Yes. And if you observe carefully, if this angle is 45 degree, this angle is 45 degree, this particular angle will be 90 degree. And do you observe that, yes, the two slopes that you have obtained, if you multiply them, you get M1, M2, this product of these two is minus 1 by 3 times 3, which is minus 1. Yes. The angle between these two lines, two possibilities of L2 will be 90 degree, as you can clearly see in that diagram as well, and you can observe with the values as well. Right. So, equation of L2. Next, let us write the equation of L2. Using point P3, 2 and slope y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. This is the form that we'll be using. This becomes y minus 2 is equal to minus 1 by 3 times x minus 3, or y minus 2 is equal to 3 times x minus 3, using the two values of M2, right? Slopes. This becomes 3y minus 6 is equal to minus x plus 3, which tells me x plus 3y is equal to 9. This is one of the possibilities. Or you get y equals 3x minus 7. This is the other possibility, this or this. That's the answer for this question, as you can clearly see over here. That's the complete solution of this 11th one.